Lesson number 4. Hello.
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Vivekanand Academy of Human Excellence. My name is Komal B. Today I come here with the lesson number 4, Hello, from the first standard English book. Now, just tell me, if we greet any person, if we meet any person first time, how we start the conversation? Do you know about it? Yes, we are saying hello to them and then we start the conversation. And in that case also, if that person don't know nothing about us, then after hello, we are telling them our name. Correct? So this lesson is about hello. That how to start the conversation, how to use can and can't, and how to make the someone understand that what we can do and what we cannot do. Okay, so first we will read this here and then we will talk about this in a brief.
Hello, I am Todi. I can run. I can run fast. Hello, here I am. I am Birdie. I can fly. I can fly high. I can't swim. Hello, my name is Bunny. I can't fly. I can jump. I love carrots. Do you love carrots? Hello, my name is Smarty. I can sing. I can play games. I can show you pictures.
Of this lesson, we will understand that how to start the conversation by using hello and how to give information about ourselves with using can and can't in a sentence. Okay, so look at the first one is we know that what is this? You have seen this picture in a textbook and already everyone they are known about this picture. What is this? This we call rabbit. You know this name for this bunny, right? But in English there is also another name bunny. Bunny, this name mostly we have heard in cartoons, in a cartoon or the movies. For a rabbit, they are not using rabbit word. Most of the time they use bunny, this word for this character. So, what this bunny telling you? See, this bunny also start the conversation with hello. If we meet anybody, we start with hello, right? This bunny is saying hello. My name is Bunny. What is the name of this rabbit? The name of this rabbit is Bunny. See the spelling of bunny? B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. Now this bunny is telling you that I can't fly. Can you see this picture here? This bunny is having wings that he can fly in the sky? No. This bunny is telling you that I can't fly. This bunny can't fly. But what he can do? I can jump. This bunny can jump. Okay. This bunny can't fly like a bird in the sky because this bunny not having wings. But he can jump, right? So this way we are using can and can't, these two words in a sentence. If we are able to do anything, we are using can for it. And if we are unable to do something, we are using can't. For an example, if you ask me if I want to give you my information in front of you, how I'll start my conversation? How I'll start to give my intro here? First, I am going to say hello to everyone. After that, I will tell my name to you. That my name is Komal or otherwise I am Komal. After that, which thing I can do and I cannot do, that I can divide into two parts. See, I can read. I am able to read the words from the books. So here I can say, I can read. If I am able to eat, I can say, I can eat. But I am having wings. Can I fly up in the sky? No. So, I can't fly. Can I swim in a water? This is about me, right? I can't swim in a water. I'm afraid of it. So this bunny, he can't fly like a bird, but he can jump. And what does bunny like to eat? You know, we love to eat different food. Someone, they love to eat vada pav, the fast food. Someone, they love to eat Punjabi food. And someone, they love to eat the normal food which mom cooks every day for us, right? But about this bunny loved carrots. You know what is the spelling of carrot? Say this here. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. This is spelling of carrot. This bunny loved to eat carrots. Can you see this in picture? This is carrot. Even we are also taking this carrot while taking lunch. This is good for health. But for bunny, this is the most favorite food for him. Okay. So this way he gave information about himself. Now we will move toward the next one. Now who is here? Everyone, they know this. I know your answer will be that this is computer, right? This is computer. But this computer telling here that my name is Smarty. He is saying, hello, my name is Smarty. Why is calling himself Smarty? I don't know. Do you know about it? Okay, you know, we are mostly saying that a computer works smartly. Works smartly means what? He can handle many work at a time. Human beings are also very clever, but we cannot do many works at the same time, right? When we complete the first work, then only we take the another work in our hand. But this computer can do a lot of work at the same time. And that's why the name of this computer is Smarty. Smarty means smart. Okay, this way they relate this name with a smart word. Now, my name is Smarty. You use computer, you are using computer at your home. What you are doing on a computer? You are typing later? Yes. Especially, but now about small kids. What they love to do on the computer? I know. Small kids, they like to watch movie on a computer. They like to listen to songs on a computer. And they especially love to play games on a computer, right? So what this can do here? This computer and this Smarty is telling you, I can sing. This Smarty is not having a mouth, but we play music on a computer. So this is saying that I can sing means we can play music on a computer. I can play games. We play many games on a computer, and also with that I can show you pictures. We see many pictures, we store many pictures in a computer. So do you understand it about this Smarty? See, the name of this rabbit is Bunny. The name of this computer is Smarty. And now the next one is, can you see this picture here? What is this? Horse, right? What is the spelling of horse? H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse telling you. Horse is saying, hello, I am Toddy. I can run fast. You know that when you are going for the vacation to the Mahabaleshwar, there you like to ride on a horse, correct? Why you want to ride on a horse? Because you love it. When the horse started to run, you enjoy that ride, correct? But just only he can run, that's it. We also can run. But what is the speciality of this horse? Horse can run fast, more faster, right? Then the last one is, who is here? What this is telling you? This is birdie. What is birdie telling you? Okay, the birdie is telling you, hello, I am birdie. Now what is the name of this bird? Birdie. I can fly. I can fly high. I can't swim. Okay, what the bird can do? Birds having wings, so so they can fly high in a sky. But can they swim like a fish? Can they swim like any other person? No, bird can't swim in the water. They can't do this thing. They can't swim, but they can fly very high up in the sky. So with the help of this lesson, we understand here how to use can, can't to give our information to the someone who is standing in front of us, and how to use hello, this word at the starting of the conversation. Even in school also, in regular life also, what happening when you are coming to the school, when if you see your teacher in front of you, what you are saying? Yes, you are saying hello teacher. So this way we start our conversation with the word hello. With this word we start our conversation.
Thank you.